Don't you think this is the most adorable little denim outfit you've ever seen? How is mommy supposed to film a video like this? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe! Okay, so I just made like a cute setup, but you ruined it all. So, thank you! Okay guys, so as you can probably already tell, I ripped my pants. And I've been wanting to cut off some pants and make my own shorts for quite some time. I don't have a lot of money. Actually, I'm a broke ass bitch. So, yeah, what better time than you are ruining mommy's video, okay? What better time to film a video like this than having your dog's annoying friend audience? You've been laying on the couch the whole time, and as soon as mommy turns on the camera, you want the spotlight. Thank you for tuning in. So, I ripped my pants, so we're gonna cut these pants up into some cute shorts. I've never done this before, so this is gonna be a challenge, but I'm really excited to try it out and just see if I should cut up more clothes or if I should just leave the scissors in the drawer and never think about this movement again. So, let's put these out. Let's take them off. Okay, so I've never cut up jeans before, and these were my favorite ones because they fitted so well and just comfortable as heck and not heavy. And yeah, what I want to do is start off by folding it like that, because I've watched a few videos but I've never really paid attention. I have 3 different pairs of scissors, so one of them must cut through something, and tweezers to do whatever I don't know what to do. You know what, I'm just gonna start by cutting one leg so that I don't really ruin everything. And I'm really scared because I have no idea how to do this. Like, okay. So I don't know if y'all can see, so I'm putting this on here so you can really see what the frick I'm doing. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, okay. Oh my god. Why am I such a wuss? Oh my god. Oh my god, what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Is that my package? Because I'm waiting for a package. I truly just don't know what I'm doing. And I'm going all crooked. Okay, this sound is really freaking satisfying. I'm gonna try it on, see how this one leg looks. And then I really want to let you guys hear the satisfying ASMR from cutting this, because oh my god. That's not bad at all, man. Oh, I'm still wearing my skirt, so like I definitely need to shape it better. Because on the inside it's way lower. But like it's not bad. I think this could be my new favorite shorts. They were my favorite jeans, but now they can be my favorite shorts. Let me let you hear how the sound is. Like honestly, cutting in jeans is so satisfying. Wasn't it satisfying? It so was. Like, and now I have like a headband. That's too big for my head, but it is a headband. Well, I can do this and make a smaller one from just, you know, a little lower. Oh my god. I'm gonna be using these jeans for everything. Okay, let's take them off and cut the other leg. You're in my way. Mommy gonna sit in you! To get the other leg about the same this one, that's the challenge. Follow the shape. I also went over the other leg just because I wanted to make sure they're the same size. Because I'm in a very DIY mood, I want to get a hole in my back pocket. So I'm taking my small angled nail scissors and gonna poke a hole in there. I have no idea what I'm doing. I literally have no clue. This could either fuck them up or make them amazing. Make sure that you don't accidentally poke in your butt. Like in the actual pants, just in the pocket. I'm gonna take the tweezers, tweeze the heck out of them. It's so much easier online. Well, I think I poked holes in my ass for nothing. I'm gonna do this just on feeling. Like, I'm not gonna do it precisely because that's not my personality. Now that that's done, I already, you know, fucked up this. by poking holes in there. So I kind of want to cut out a heart. See if I can do that. I can't even draw a heart, so I don't even know if I can cut a heart, but we'll find out. And now I'm gonna flap that over. Like I cut out half of the heart. I'm gonna flap that over so I can cut out around it so that I have to the same. If that kind of makes sense, like I don't think it does, but it sucks that I don't have anyone to film for me today. I don't know if you can really see what the F I'm doing. It's like a perfect little heart. I've never done that. Like, oh my god, it's crooked, but it's cute. You see that? It's cute, right? And now I have to remember not to put shit in there. If I were like super skinny, I could wear this as a top. But I'm not. Maybe I can. Piper, come here, baby girl. Piper. Hello? Where are you? Where are you? Okay, so she's small, but she's not that small. So let's start by cutting it off like here. Look at the face. Oh my goodness. And it's still too tight. Okay, wait, and the other piece that no escaping from mommy. Maybe I can make this into a dress for her. She's not happy with me. One over there. And one like over there. Okay, so for some reason this is not going as smoothly as the other side. You know what? I don't care. Good girl! Who's mommy? Good girl! Oh my goodness! Oh my god! This is so cute. Okay, this, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. And don't worry about her, she's used to me doing this. And as long as she's not growling at me, she's not hating me. Okay, so this video was supposed to be me cutting up my pants because I ripped them and turning them into shorts. But like this is like even better. So what I did is just grab a leg, see what is like her size. I started off too small because I thought she's small, like she can go smaller. But I kind of want to have it a little roomy so she's more comfortable. I don't want her to feel like she's locked up in something. And the fact that it's a little ruffled is so cute. I don't want it to be heavily ruffled because then we'll just find ruffles everywhere. And like you guys saw, I cut up a little piece to make a headband, put it on the other one as well. But like I turned it into a cute little bow and now she has like cutest outfit ever. Like, look at this. I just cut up some holes for her legs. I might make the other one a little bit bigger so it's a bit roomier. But like, don't you think this is the most adorable little denim outfit you've ever seen? You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. Mommy loves you. Oh, you love mommy too? Yes. Okay. He's too big for this. Even if I had the other side around it, he's fatter than my leg. And that's sad because I have pretty big legs. We're leaving it like that. You have a cape. You are handsome. You are a pants man. I'm going to cut off the edges where they make the pants stick together. I'm going to cut them off. Denim dog to the rescue. Yeah. Okay, the aftermath, it's not that bad, could have been worse. Okay, so these are the jeans. You can see the heart. I kind of wish I didn't do it. Maybe I'll put like some gauze or something underneath so that it's like a different color. You can truly see that it's a heart. But what do you guys think? Like, I honestly don't hate it, and I'm sure I'm gonna wear them. I want to thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. I love you and I hope to see you next time.